Hi, I'm Dr. Taylor Hearn from Design Ergonomics. When my company created the first universal dental workstation over 20 years ago, it redefined dental delivery. It introduced the industry to over-the-head delivery, where all materials, supplies, and instruments are positioned within easy reach of the dentist and the assistant, and yet not behind the operator. It's a method that greatly increases productivity and reduces physical strain. Since the invention of that patented system, my company's only increased its pace of innovation to improve the lives of dentists and their patients and make things much easier for staff. Our research and development team has developed a wide range of the best lighting systems, in-wall storage, traversing patient chairs, and delivery systems, all of which we manufacture and sell directly to you. No dealer, no middleman, no markup. I'll be honest, for the first 2 decades, I got to spend everything that came in on advanced machinery and technology because I could comfortably live on the income that this technology enabled because of my success in practice from this technology. So now the result is the best factory with the most advanced CNC, CAD/CAM, robotics, 3D, and plasma technology available, all for the purpose of building the most advanced core dental equipment that everyone uses every day. You've probably noticed that most of the competition spends all of their time trying to make advanced high-tech peripheral stuff. It's important and it's exciting. But mainly they want you to focus on that because that's where they make the most money. We're not doing that. We're making the best dental solutions for dentistry that you must get done better and faster every day. Our unique dental office designs and equipment philosophies have helped thousands of dentists increase their productivity levels 2 or 3 or even more times the national average with far greater efficiency and comfort. We'd love the opportunity to work with you to help you grow and thrive in your practice, to help make dentistry fun and easy for you and your team. And at some point, if you'd like to take a tour of a Massachusetts facility or my personal dental practices or even a client's practice somewhere nearby your existing office, please reach out to our team and we'll arrange something convenient for you. We're always happy to host doctors, dental staff, and partners who share our passion for advancing the dental industry. Thank you. We look forward to working with you.